Hey guys, I'm Sagie and I'm OctaSec, and today we're going to talk a little bit about MISP. MISP is MISP is a malware information sharing platform. It's kind of an open code system that allow you to share cyber intelligence within organizations. So so do not be alone in the war against threats. And to install MISP is really complicated, so I will do another video about how to install MISP and how you do it on Ubuntu server. But for now, you can see the MISP is here. MISP is a platform to manage and sharing threat intelligence, IOCs, hashers, IPs, domains, and everything that can help you to identify threat in time. And you can think about it some kind of a SOC hybrid mind, like dangerous hybrid mind, and it's a place for all the organization sharing between them what they see, so we can all identify quicker the next attacks. So this is the home of the MISP, okay? And you can see that there is threats that they recognize. We got some ransomware in here, and and you can see all the change in the activity and the IPs that they come from, and the related events and everything. And we can go and we can check. We can check in here and we can see the other threats that are coming, and we can use a smoke loader and everything that we need to know. So how the system look on the inside? This is the system itself. We got here dashboard, and with the latest event, we got here the feed management, and we can go to see all the feeds that we got. Okay, when you choose feeds, you need to go to what you think that is important to you, but you got the default feeds, okay, that you can use. The basic feeds that you need to do: the CIRCL, abuse, CH, Botvrij, and Phishtank, okay? And you can go, and you can see I selected them already, and we can go and we can see all the feeds that is here, and all of those are default feed. You can do it. Just don't try to overcrowd the system and make false positive person. And so, how we do it? When we enable the feeds, and when we enable some of the feeds, we can go out here and enable some of them. Let's choose carefully, and let's take this one. Again, spam mail, CyberCall, enable selected, yes. And that's how you go. And after you did all that, you patch all the feeds that you need. And this is my enable feeds, okay? And of course, as I said, default ones. And you can go to the home. You can see that it fetches the information and for me. And what else you can do? This doesn't stop here. You can add models like abuse IP database, hybrid analysis, virus total, the correlation between events. You can send all directly to ArcSight, Splunk, or Elastic, and you can define a collaboration with other organizations, and you really can build a cyber intelligence for your organization without paying for SaaS expensive solution. So you can go here and enable configuration of the and in conclusion, MISP is really like a very important system for your incidents. It's allowing for a collaboration between a real field test. And if you like the demo, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one. Okay.